Good afternoon, it's Sharon and Phil from Space Internet Solutions, working over in Congleton today, installing a Starlink for a customer. This customer had the Starlink set up on the grass and the cable running through the window into his hallway, which was not ideal. We've showed up, installed his Starlink on an 18x12 galvanised bracket, nice and sturdy, a 3-foot mast and our own pole adapter. Clear line of sight, wired down and in through an old water pipe pole. Customers receiving speeds of over 250 megabytes per second.